Welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today we're going to be doing a video about AMC. Before I start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Join the family, guys. Let's go on our investor journey together. Today we're going to be doing a video about AMC. Why has AMC stock been falling? Why did AMC stock fall 10% today? And what's the future of AMC stock? I hope to answer all those questions for you guys by the end of the video. I just want everybody to know everything I say in my videos is not financial advice. It is just my personal opinion and for educational purposes only. So with that being said, let's get started with the video. So today, as you guys can see, AMC down about 11%, and looking at the 1 week chart, AMC is down about 22%. A lot of people have been wondering, what's been going on with AMC? Why is AMC stock continue to fall? Is it over for AMC stock? Should you sell your position? Should you buy the dip on AMC? Well, I want to give you guys the most honest feedback and let you guys know what I personally think has been going on with AMC. One, if we take a look at the 1 month chart, we definitely see that, in the month of June, we definitely got a lot of sideways trading from AMC. I think generally speaking, a lot of people are kind of just losing hope on AMC. A lot of people are losing hope on the fact that AMC is eventually going to squeeze. I just want everybody to know, if you've watched all my videos, I do think that AMC is going to go through a short squeeze. I've said this time and time again. I've said this when the stock was $7. Reading all the reports and seeing how people continue to short the stock, and even now, people still pushing down the stock. But generally speaking, I feel like people are kind of getting tired of waiting. If I've learned anything about the stock market and the people who are in the stock market, a lot of people do lack the patience. So when it comes to AMC and the fact that it's trading sideways and nothing has been happening over the last month, this does lead to some people actually exiting their positions in AMC stock. Now, AMC has held itself pretty well. There's no flash crash. Not that many people are actually selling the stock in itself. You know what I mean? There's not a lot of people out there who are continuing to sell their positions. If anything, there's a lot of people who continue to buy more and more of AMC stock. There's a lot of apes out there who are still holding, still waiting for the squeeze. I have not sold any of my positions in AMC. Obviously, you guys do not have to do what I do. Everything I say in my videos, like I said, is just opinionated and for educational purposes. But like I said, with the sideways trading, I feel like generally speaking, people are getting tired of just kind of waiting for AMC stock to actually go through a squeeze. There has not really been much upward price action lately. And like I said, during the month of June, we did get a lot of sideways trading. And, generally speaking, traders usually lose hope when nothing has been going on. So if we take a look at the 1 year chart, we actually do get a recap of this, So we see here on January 27th, that was the day that everything started to kind of squeeze, GameStop and all these other stocks. And then all the brokerages limited the trading. And we see this huge spike downward. And if we see here, though, AMC traded sideways for about 2 to 3 months where AMC was not really doing anything. A lot of people were like, oh, AMC is not going to be doing anything. It's over for AMC. I was continuing to make videos about AMC about the time, and I was letting people know that I still think that AMC is going to squeeze. There's a lot of people shorting the stock. There's a lot of people who are putting, continue to push down the stock. I have a feeling that AMC is going to run up. Obviously, like I said, it was just my opinion. And we see here on June 2nd, this huge squeeze upward. I took the opportunity and bought AMC stock around $5 to $6, but that was way before this whole short squeeze started to happen. I was kind of always bullish on the whole entertainment industry. I knew it had taken a big hit because a lot of entertainment places, are pretty close proximity kind of spaces. So it requires people to actually be inside, stuff like that, whether it's AMC and Dave & Buster's and all those other stocks. But I had been telling people, I'm like, I don't think it's over for AMC. I do think that we're going to revisit. And it's still the same thing with AMC now. I don't think it's over for AMC stock. Yes, the stock has taken a 20% hit over the last week. But we have to look at the combination of factors for AMC that could be possibly driving the stock price down. One, shorts continue to push the stock down in attempts to actually get people to sell their position. This is a real thing. I was not an advocate of this early in my day trading career, but looking at it now in my trading career, this is actually a strategy where, shorts will push the stock down in hopes for people to think, they want retail to think that the stock is being sold off, so retail people will actually sell. And this is a common strategy that a lot of short people, or basically people who are shorting stock, they do use. They'll push the stock down. A lot of the apes don't really fall for it. They just end up buying the dip anyway. A lot of it could also be profit taking. People have been holding AMC for over a month now. People are like, okay, you know what? It's been dipping, maybe it's time for me to take a little bit of profit, or at least let me break even on my trade. So we do see a little bit of sell off to there. On top of that, the market today did generally not do well. Like my personal portfolio today lost about 10% of its value today alone, just today. So when we look at the combination of factors with AMC, it's not necessarily just one thing that's driving the stock price down. So where does it go from here? I've said this time and time again, and like I said, although my opinion, I don't think people should sell their AMC position stock just yet, and I don't think it's over for AMC stock. I think that AMC stock is still going to squeeze. I still think that, I've said this time and time again that, yeah, no matter how much the stock goes down, there's always going to be something that's going to end up pushing the stock back up. I do think that AMC is eventually going to squeeze. I don't think it's something that can be avoided at this point, seeing how, a lot of shorts continue to push the stock down as much as possible. This is their ultimate end goal regardless, no matter what people want to think about it. This is the main point. There's people who are still adding to their short positions in AMC stock. And we see that the stock price is now taking a pretty good hit. People are now generally getting pretty scared. If we take a look at the 1-year chart, the last time we saw this, guys, was, we saw here on June 2nd with this huge run up. We saw a little bit of a dip here down to 42.81 on June 10th. And that is when AMC actually did announce a stock sale, that they were doing an 11 million stock sale. But other than that, we have not seen AMC at these all-time lows. But I'm almost convinced that AMC is going to recover. I don't think it's over for AMC stock, and I do not think people should sell their stock in AMC, because I still do think the stock is going to go through a short squeeze. Although I do not have a definitive time frame, and we could go over all day about what the price is actually going to be, I don't think it's over for AMC. I generally do not think this is the last time we're going to see AMC rally. Yes, we had a bunch of red days, but like I said, AMC is very volatile as a stock. It can rally up very quickly, and it can easily make up those 20% gains in a single hour or even a single day. So me, generally speaking, I don't think it's a very good time to sell AMC stock, and I generally don't think it's over for AMC stock. I still do think that AMC stock is going to go through a short squeeze. But with that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. You guys let me know down in the comments section below, guys, what you think of AMC stock. Do you guys think AMC stock is going to go through a short squeeze? What do you guys think about AMC stock? Are you guys buying the dip on AMC stock now that the stock price is lower than $46? You guys let me know down in the comments section below, guys, what you think of the sell-off. All right? With that being said, guys, thank you. Have a great day.